Yo, it's Nate Dog, and I will be teaching you how to make the origami flapping bird. Let me get a better one. Yeah, the origami flapping bird. And let's just get started. Now, the origami flapping bird is exactly every single fold as the crane, just a little bit more work. So first you gotta make the crane. If you don't know how to make the crane, it's okay, I'll teach you in this video. First you fold it into a rectangle, just like the crane, and you fold it into a different rectangle, and then you fold it into a diamond. Can everybody see that? Yeah, and I will draw the little lines here for you. Okay. Other side. Man, this smells good. And can everybody see those lines right, like there? So you want to fold this onto those lines. Now for those of you who know how to make the crane, you can fast forward to where we're doing the extra folds, like the folds at the end. And so you fold it like that, which is basically just taking this and folding it to the middle. Then you do the same with the other side. Then you just unfold like this, and this is called the pedal fold, most hardest fold of the crane and the origami dragon and the origami flapping bird. And yes, there is an origami dragon. I don't think I will be making one, like a video of it, anytime soon. I really don't think so. So yeah, you do the pedal fold. So the pedal fold is where you take the diamond and flap it up like that, and then you fold it in like that, and you fold it in like that, and then you just fold it like that, and you got yourself a pedal fold. And then you do the same with the other side. So once you do the pedal fold, you should have something that looks like this. Now what you want to do with that is split it and fold it up like that, and do the same with the other side. And you want to fold the part that you think is going to be the tail out like that, and the head in like that. Then you just fold down the wings and you flap down the head. So it should just look like a crane, but it's not. You gotta flap that apart like that, so it looks like that. And then you gotta flip it, and take the corner like that, and do the same with the back, up to those lines that we made previously. These the gray lines from the thing should still show if you made them, and you should just fold them up to that. And then to make it flap, you gotta make sure those wings are like straight. To make it flap, all you gotta do is just here. Let me see if this flaps, because sometimes only one wing flaps, like this one. All you gotta do to make both wings flap is just gotta bend it, the wing that's not flapping, a little, and if it still doesn't flap like this, then you unfold the back like I did. And bam, you got yourself a flapping bird. Bye.